How to stop negative self-talk. Have you ever said to yourself, "I'm not good enough," or "I can't do this"? If you have, you're not alone. Many people experience negative self-talk. These are the small, critical voices in our heads that tell us we are not smart, not capable, or not worthy. Negative self-talk can hurt our confidence and stop us from trying new things. But here's the good news. We can learn how to stop it. First, we need to recognize when we're doing it. Sometimes, we speak badly to ourselves without even noticing. We might make a small mistake and immediately say, "I'm so stupid." But would we say that to a friend? Probably not. So, why say it to ourselves? The first step to change is being aware. Listen to your inner voice. When you hear something negative, pause and think, is this thought true? Is it helpful? Second, we should try to replace negative thoughts with kinder ones. For example, instead of saying, "I always fail," try saying, "I didn't do well this time, but I can try again." Instead of, "I look terrible," try, "I'm doing my best and that's okay." Changing the way we talk to ourselves takes time, but it really works. Kind words help us feel stronger and more positive. Another useful idea is to talk to yourself like you would talk to a close friend. Imagine your best friend feels sad or unsure. You would probably say, "Don't be too hard on yourself," or "You did great." So next time you feel down, try speaking to yourself in the same kind way. Give yourself support, not criticism. Also, writing in a journal can help. At the end of the day, write down your negative thoughts. Then, try to write more positive responses next to them. This will help you see your thinking more clearly and slowly change your mindset. Over time, this becomes a helpful habit. Sometimes, negative self-talk comes from past experiences, like someone being unkind to us or us failing at something before. But remember, the past doesn't define you. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. What matters is how you grow from them, not what went wrong. Finally, try to surround yourself with positive people. The people around us can affect the way we see ourselves. When we hear encouragement from others, it becomes easier to believe in ourselves too. To stop negative self-talk, we must be patient and gentle with ourselves. It's okay to have bad days. It's okay to feel down sometimes. But we should always remind ourselves that we are trying, we are learning, and we are enough. So the next time that little voice in your head says, "You can't," answer back with, "Yes, I can. I'm trying my best, and that's what matters." Thank you for listening. And remember, your thoughts shape your feelings, and your feelings shape your life. Be kind to yourself always.